Welcome to mathematics class, chapter 7, Time Goes On, part 1. This is a story with ulta pulta time. That is, time written here are wrong. You have to read the story and write the right time in blank space. So, as the sun sets, Sumana wakes up. Sumana, when we wake up, that time sun rises. So here we will write as the sun rises, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. When sun rises, that time is morning time. So what a lovely morning. She washes her face lasting 2 hours. So she takes time for washing her face in 2 minutes, not in 2 hours, and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few days, not few months. Now, she was waiting for the baby birds to come out. But before she can blink her eyes in a week, for blinking eyes, she takes in a moment, not in a week. So right answer is in a moment. A cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum! In 2 days, it is on the ground. Not 2 days, 2 seconds. It is on the ground. Oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year. No, not 1 more year. It takes 1 more week to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." So it is not for dinner, for breakfast, because whole story that is happening in the morning time. So it is for breakfast. How long does it take? Have you seen someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. Also tell us if you take hours or minutes to have your bath. Is it years since you last had a bath? Haha. Think of many different things that can take different times. Make your table as long as you can. Let us make the table in the next slide. Takes minutes. Work that takes minutes means you can do in a very short time. A bath, to boil milk, to sharpen a pencil, to blow a balloon, to eat an apple, to wear shoes, To cook ladyfinger to fill petrol in car takes minutes. Takes hours. Takes hours means it takes longer time. To stitch a shirt, to set curd, a school day, to set ice cream, to draw a scenery, to bake cake, to change from day to night, dusting of house takes hours. Now takes days. It's a very long time. To knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for a banana to become ripe, for seed to germinate, to paint your house, to make furniture takes days. Now think of some other things, some faster and some slower. So now take seconds to blink my eyes, to snap my fingers, to gulp my medicine. These all can be done in second. Now to grow wheat from seed to big plant takes month. To change from summer to winter takes month. For a baby to come out of its mother's stomach takes months. Now we have made some more list here. Think of some other things and some faster and some slower. So to blink my eyes, to snap my fingers, to gulp my medicine, for fruit to fall from a tree, to throw a ball, to take a snap takes seconds. Now to grow wheat from seed to big plant, to change from summer to winter, for a baby to come out of its mother's stomach, to write a book, to construct a house takes months. Clap, clap. Before you catch, play this game. Throw a stone into the air. Clap once before you catch it. Now try to clap 2 times before the catch. Try more claps. How many times can you clap before you catch the stone? Try different claps. Clap 2 times and say 1, 2. Keep clapping 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or say tathai, tathai, tathai. Also stamp your feet left, right, left, right, left, right. Now clap with 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say tathai tat, tathai tat, tathai tat. Can you stamp your feet left, right, left, left, right, left? How many of you can speak and stamp at the same time? Answer. Most of us can speak and stamp at the same time. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. She is also 20 years older than him. Guess the ages of Irfan and his mother. Answer. Irfan's age is 20 years and his mother's age is 40 years because Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. That's why his mother's age is 40 years. So here we are ending our part 1 of chapter 7. See you in the next class.